Welcome to Lesson 4, Tuna Salad Bites. Today, we're going to help children get more protein into their diets by teaching them how to make tuna salad bites using chunk-light tuna, veggies, non-fat plain yogurt, light mayonnaise, lemon juice, and salt and pepper. We'll serve the tuna salad on whole grain crackers and top it with a cherry tomato. Our education piece centers around tuna and the nutrients it provides. Let's get started. First, let's make sure we have all of our ingredients. Using the prep list provided, check that you have chunk-light tuna in water, celery, red bell pepper, grape tomatoes, light mayonnaise, fat-free plain yogurt, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and whole grain crackers. Now let's make sure we have all of our equipment. Ensure that you have a bucket of sanitizer water with a clean wiping cloth and food service gloves. You'll also need a cutting board, a chef knife, a 1/4 cup portion scoop, a tablespoon measure, a garbage bowl, prep bowls with lids, and a marker for labeling them. Let's start prepping. First, we'll cut the grape tomatoes in half lengthwise. Then we'll dice the celery and red bell pepper. Okay, now it's time to fill our prep bowls. I've prepped this lesson for 20 students plus 1 demo. I've also drained the tuna, and using a 1/4 cup portion scoop, we'll measure 2 scoops of tuna per container. You'll need 1 container of each of the ingredients per group plus 1 for the demo. Now season the tuna with salt and pepper. Next, we'll do 2 scoops of the grape tomatoes using a clean 1/4 cup portion scoop. Don't forget to use a clean scoop in between ingredients or wash and sanitize. Now we'll do 1 scoop each of the mayonnaise, yogurt, celery, and red bell pepper. And now 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, now we just need to cover, label, and date everything. Be sure to keep everything refrigerated until it's time for the demo. If you're going off-site, pack everything in a cooler with ice. Check your equipment bin to make sure you have everything you need for the demo. This includes a cutting board, a chef knife, mixing bowls, salad tongs, plastic spatulas, paper plates, napkins, disposable spoons, sanitary wipes, food service gloves, the lesson plan, handouts for the students, and crayons. Okay, let's head to our demo.
I'm here on site. Jen's going to help me today. First, we just have to wipe down the tables, wash our hands, and get everything set up, and then we're good to go. Hi, everyone. Hi. So you guys remember we do nutrition education, right? My name is Liz. I'm with the Northern Illinois Food Bank, and I brought my friend Jen.
Hi. Hi, Jen.
Yeah. So Jen and I are going to make a really cool recipe today, tuna salad. How many people have tried tuna salad before? Raise your hand. Half and half it looks like for this one. Okay. So it's a lot of fun. It's a quick and easy recipe. It's something good and yummy, and you can eat it right away. And it has tuna. Tuna's really good for you. Do you guys know that? Yeah. Did you know that? Everybody sees your recipe sheet, right? On the front, you have all the ingredients you need for today. Last time I was here, we talked about 3 rules. What is the first rule? Don't get out of your seat. So first rule is to keep things safe and moving and fun. Everybody stay in your seats for this, okay? Second rule. Yeah, when I talk, I ask that you don't, and vice versa. That way we can have a conversation, okay? Third rule, it is to have fun, right? Most important, obviously, but that happens when we listen to all 3 rules, okay? So today we're talking about tuna, and you guys have your recipe sheet. I talked about the front, but now we'll talk about the back. You have a coloring activity, so you can fill in the fish and the can of fish. And you see a catchphrase. Practice something with me for a sec. Everybody, I want you to put your hand over your heart. Your heartbeat goes lub-dub, right? That's why we say tuna helps your heart. Blub, blub. Tuna makes your heart go lub-dub, right? Why is tuna good for your heart? Do you know?
Because it makes your heart go lub-dub.
That's true. That's totally true. Tuna actually has something called omega-3 fatty acids. How many of you guys have heard your mom, your dad, somebody say omega-3? It's a buzzword. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fat that is good for your heart. So that's why tuna is good for your heart. Okay? Everybody clear on that? All right, now we make some food. I need a couple helpers. So my first helper, let's see. Could you come up and help me out today? Very cool. And you'll have to stand right over here. So today we're making tuna salad. First we have to make the dressing. So I need you to grab the lemon juice, the yogurt, and the light mayo and mix those in. And you know what? I can help you with the tops if you like. So this one is a light mayo. That's the first dressing. And then the next, I'm passing it off to you, we have a low-fat plain Greek yogurt. That helps to make it from tasting too heavy. Yogurt is awesome to substitute. All right, third one. You can just put it in the bowl too. Thanks. And this third thing going in is lemon juice. That helps it stay nice and fresh and flavorful, right? Mix all the dressing together, which you are doing a stellar job at. Can we get a round of applause? Yes, excellent, excellent. All right, thank you very much for your help. I appreciate it. Can I get one more helper to come on? Let's see. All right, can I get you to come up? Yeah, would that be all right? Thank you. All right, so now that we've made the dressing with our light mayo, plain yogurt, and lemon juice, now we mix in the other stuff. So the first thing, will you open the tuna? And I will open the peppers. So here we have some canned tuna, drained. Really easy. The nice thing about this is that you don't have to put it in the fridge or worry about that. It just comes out of a can. Nice and easy. All right, so you plop it in. Cool. And then I'll switch. We have some red bell peppers. You guys remember these, right? Are they spicy?
No.
No. They're really sweet and crunchy. I think my my favorite vegetable, I think. But it's hard to say. All right, 2 more things. Would you open the celery? And I have some diced cherry tomatoes. All right, there you go. All right, and then you just mix it all together. You ready? I'm gonna reach across. Now, how many of you guys have had tuna salad before? I think I asked that already. Let me see. All right, half and half. Okay, and are there any foods that you see in front of you that are new today? Tuna, light mayo, plain yogurt. All right, again, so a lot of people are trying new things today. That's awesome. That's what this is all about. Sometimes when you try something new or you try it in a different way, then you're like, oh, I do love this. So I'm really glad. I'm really glad to see that. This is looking like some really good tuna salad. Are you ready? All right, so now everybody has their plate and spoon, and you can use your spoon and grab a cracker with the tongs. You can grab a couple, but we just need 1 demo cracker. All right, and then you use the spoon, and spoon a little onto your cracker. There you go. Then you can garnish with a cherry tomato. So you just choose one, plop it on top. Gorgeous. That is plated. That is ready to go. Thank you very much. Can you hold it up so everyone can see too? Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. That's wonderful. So that's what you guys are making. Do you feel ready? Yeah. All right. First the dressing, then the veggies. Thank you. Kids are surprising me because I think that they smell, say, the mayonnaise, the yogurt, and the tuna individually as the ingredient, and they say that, you know, ooh, like this smells very strong. And then they put it all together and they just, it blows their minds that it all works together. So a lot of kids were saying that to me today. You know, they take a bite, even though they'd smelled it before, they take a bite and they're like, this is delicious, which is great. You know, that's the whole point, is that when you make stuff, when you cook, so you can make something delicious and surprise yourself. When you're finished eating and you're finished cooking, can you put the things that can be recycled? So you have aluminum tins, these can be recycled, plastic cups, these can be recycled. They go right under my table in a bin, okay? So that's where you recycle. All the other things, except the mixing bowls, can go in the trash, yes. So when you're finished eating, please clean up as much as you can. You can finish coloring. You guys all have your coloring sheet to finish up. And thank you very much. I appreciate it. Sometimes I get a little ahead of myself because I'm so excited about the kids and I'm so excited about them trying stuff that it's hard to remember, you know, the place that we're coming from, which is that we're trying to get people to recognize if they're trying a new food and to celebrate that, but also to celebrate those that are already diverse eaters. So I love teaching this lesson, just like everything.
Thank you.